Want to be angry? I'll tell you how. Use your 5 fingers to help you now. When big emotions start to ruin your fun, just say this short prayer. Let's start with your thumb. With your thumb, give thanks for the good, counting your blessings as every child should. Remember the joy in each day that you live, and soon you'll find peace, all ready to give. Next, with your pointer, reach out and care, show kindness and love everywhere. For when anger creeps in, it's love we must sow, spreading kindness wherever we go. Now with your middle finger, stand up tall, be brave and courageous, ready to call for help when you need it from those who are near. Together, we'll conquer each worry and fear. With your ring finger, hold on to hope, knowing that in tough times, we'll learn how to cope. For even in darkness, there's light shining through, guiding us onward to skies that are blue. Lastly, with your pinky, make a little fist, but not for anger, for forgiveness exists. Let go of grudges, and anger let fade. For in forgiveness, true healing is made. So when anger rises and emotions run high, remember this prayer and give it a try. With your 5 fingers and a heart that is true, you'll find peace and calm in all that you do.